Alright, July 2nd, 2021, Tyler Hayes here, 1406, coming to you from West Ladysmith. We are going to have a northbound sand train on the way that'll start up from the ranger station after building up their train at Weyerhaeuser on the Barron Sub. That's where I am right now, nearby milepost 128. We have the S773 here. TGBO 6979. 6979 is a good one, no exceptions. For today's S773, 81 of July 2nd, 2021. We will have ET44AC 3051 to lead. But we don't know who else is going to be in the consist at this time. So with that said, let's check out the S773 as it heads on north to Pokegama as we lean back and get them. Here we go. CN 3051, the S773. We'll see who else is in the second slot and running as DPU. Total axle is 426. 102 by 0 consist again. So let's check him out as we lean back and get him. A couple of minutes later, the S773 is here. We have a EMD second out behind the 3051. I have a feeling it's the Progress Rail EMD rebuild of S773AC 1843. And the DPU is probably the 3235 with the 100th anniversary logo. Let's check him out as it once again heads on up to Pokegama and then onward to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So here's the 3051 with Norfolk Southern SD70AC C 1843. When they go on to the Superior Sub, they will pass by the lower ram rail grinder of 116 that has made the return and is already sitting in Ladysmith Yard in preparation for its next assignment after the holiday weekend comes to an end. It will also pass by the additional power sitting at the north end of Ladysmith Yard of CN ET44AC 2806 and the XBNSF now under the hands of GECX 4867 XBNSF-9 44CW. Crew came on duty as of 12:30 this afternoon. And they will be following the Rattler M347 that is currently south of Stanbury with the 3114 of the CN to lead. And I hear the DPU of the 3235 with the 100 anniversary logo that was previously assigned on the extra 519 a couple of days back. And here is the last of the S773 CBFX 316 816. Off they go up to Pokegama and then onward to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And that'll do it here at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and I will see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.